In this video, we are going to discuss about hacking. So let's first see what is hacking. Any unauthorized access to any device, system or a computer network is called hacking. A person who is hacking or gaining unauthorized access to another system or computer network is called a hacker. Now you might be wondering that why a hacker would hack into a system. So it could be due to any of these reasons. It could be to steal sensitive data or take control of a website or a network, take potential security threats. It could be just for fun also. Many people hack into other websites just for fun to see what they are storing, just to show that the website is prone to security threats, and also to broadcast personal views to a large audience. Many times you will visit a website and then instead of that main page or the home page loading, you will see a message by some group who are viewing their own ideas about something, some current topic or anything else. So this is hacking. In this video, we have learned what hacking is, what a hacker does and how he does it. In the next video, we are going to discuss about types of hacking.